Revelations chapter 20. Dito sa Revelation, makikita po natin dito sa chapter 20 yung binding of Satan. Now, darating po yung time, or pwedeng dumating na, depende sa view, no? Pero dito sa Revelations 20, meron ditong pagtatali kay Satanas, paggagapos kay Satanas. So, sabi po rito, sabi ni John, yung apostol na sumulat ng Revelation, "Then I saw an angel coming down from heaven, holding in his hand the key to the bottomless pit in a great chain." Now, yung angel po niyan, possibly si Jesus Christ. And hindi na natin didiscuss dito sa video na to. Pero gusto ko lang malaman nyo, yung angel, ang ibig sabihin niyan, messenger. Yan yung literal meaning niyan, messenger. So, possibly si Jesus Christ yan na talagang tumalo kay Satanas. Meron siyang susi at meron rin siyang kadena, great chain. Anong ginawa niya? "And he seized the dragon, that ancient serpent, who is the devil and Satan, and bound him for 1,000 years. Meron palang pagtatali na gagawin kay Satanas. At ikukulong siya. Sabi po rito, "And threw him into the pit, and shut it and seal it over him." Anong purpose? Bakit siya kinulong? "So that he might not deceive the nations any longer." Ayun, para pala hindi niya nabadaya yung mga bansa. "Until the 1,000 years were ended." After that, pagkatapos na 1,000 taon, after that, he must be released for a little while. Papakawalan ulit siya. And I believe yung reason bakit siya papakawalan, aalisin sa kulungan, is for judgment. Para hukuman na si Satan once and for all.